How you doing, Mr. Gonzalez? Good. Different parents have different parenting styles, right?
Correct.
I mean, your level of discipline may be different than somebody else's level of discipline, correct?
Yes.
Doesn't make it right, doesn't make it wrong, just means you're different.
Well, if
Correct?
Yes.
You did that strictly for purposes of this hearing, isn't that right, sir?
I didn't go broke for purposes of this meeting.
You changed residences strictly for purposes of this hearing.
No, to
So that you
leave
could
there.
tell, so that you could tell His Honor Judge Gross that, gosh, now, look, I live now in Broward County, and therefore I should be entitled to some sort of rotating schedule with these children, right?
No.
That was the purpose that you moved, isn't
That was,
it?
the purpose that I moved is to be closer to my children
Right,
because I intend to reside there.
I understand. The purpose that you moved is because you want Judge Gross.
Objection, Your Honor, asked and answered.
Children get various ailments from time to time, don't they?
Get what?
Ailments. They may get a cold, they may get a rash, they may get an infection. It happens. That's why they're kids, right?
If you're talking about an immunity,
Sir, I'm just talking about ailments that children get. It's the nature of being a child. They could be at school, they could get sick, right?
yes, and I
Okay, they could go into the woods, they could get poison ivy, right?
That's not poisonous.
I didn't ask you whether it was poison ivy. They could go into the woods, they could get poison ivy.
Sure they can.
They could get some sort of ailment that requires some sort of medical treatment, right?
Yes.
And when it's treated, it generally goes away, right? And your son's eczema that you testified about, that's perfectly cleared up, right?
For now, yes.
Yes, for now. There's no problem, is there, sir?
No, because I
Okay.
took care of it.
I understand. Well, you took care of it with your mother's cortisone.
Yes.
She had it, and you used it, and that was it.
And I put some vitamin E oil, I also told you that.
Since the time that you separated, the time that you've had with the children has essentially been every other weekend, correct?
Yes.
And one night during the week, right?
7 hours Wednesdays.
Yeah, right, exactly. One night during the week.
That's every night.
It's
It's
for,
great.
not overnight, it's after school, 4 or 5 hours, whatever it is, right? And that hasn't been any problem, has it, sir?
No problem.
And you would agree with me, sir, wouldn't you, that a 13-year-old and a 9-year-old stability is really critical at this age, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And when I talk about stability, I talk not only about school, but living arrangements as well, right?
Yes.
And it's important, certainly you know, because you're in the mental health field, that children need stability so that they have some sort of foundation, right?
Correct.
And you would agree with me, sir, wouldn't you, that changing their foundation at a tender age is not the best thing, right?
No, I wouldn't agree with that at all.
And certainly a 9 and a 13-year-old need that stability, right?
They need their father.
They need stability, don't they, sir? In
With
fact,
their
you may
father.
not even be the father.
Yes, I have.
And you've told them that.
Yes.
Do you think that's a wise thing for a father to say to two children, 13 and 9, you know what, boys? I don't even think I'm your father. I may have to go get some DNA testing. Do you think that's a good thing to do?
I think.
Yes or no,
the-
sir?
the
Is it a
reason-
good thing or a bad thing?
I know that, I think they need to be prepared, you know.
Sir,
in case something
is it a
happens.
good thing or a bad thing to tell a 9 and a 13-year-old, I may not be your father. I'm going to have to get some DNA testing. Good or bad? What do
I think it's good.
It's good. You never